I've put it on to.
Sorry, spell it again. Zoetis.
Zoetis.
Oh, yeah. So okay, not there, right?
No, you'll see it on the, you know, the go to bank register.
Yeah, okay. What date about?
17th of January. Yeah, see it there now.
Oh yeah.
So there's actually VAT in that rebate. There's 23% VAT in it.
Is there? Okay. Yeah, so the only place it shouldn't be is in uncategorized income. What type of stuff do you buy from them?
What do I, drugs? Drugs.
Drugs, okay. Yeah, so everything is nearly right, but you need to just put the correct account in there. I was just surprised it wasn't showing on their account a minute ago with that name.
And is the VAT included in that? No, that's what I was wondering.
Yeah, it would be, yeah. If that's the total amount they give you and there is VAT in it, yeah, the VAT is included. That's correct.
And is it showing the VAT?
It was a minute ago. Let me just see. Just revert back and have a second look.
Yeah.
You had the VAT on it there, yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it there, yeah.
So it's just this needs to be drugs and consumables.
Do you know where does the or there after?
Yeah.
We say standard. Does that stand for resale or what does that stand for?
It does, yes. When you're buying stuff for resale.
Resale, okay. I just wasn't sure.
Yeah, so that's the 17th of January. Now, even if that's in the wrong place there, which it was only in the wrong category that you didn't know, it wouldn't be stopping you with the bank reconciliation as long as everything has gone over to this side.
I just wasn't sure that I had the VAT accounted for.
Yeah,
so basically, when I see a rebate like that on the banking page and I click on it and I hit it as a deposit, and then is it categorize it as drugs and consumables? That's all you need to do, is it?
That's all you need to do. Just always make sure it's in the same category as what the purchase was in, which is normally drugs and consumables anyway.
Okay, yeah.
That's the only thing you need to be thinking of. Yeah.
Okay, I thought I might have to create a sort of a separate invoice or.
No, it's fine.
Okay, well that's that.
So it's to keep on. And how did you get on with the VAT filing?
Fine, I sent it off. Now there was only one issue, Kevin, and the reason I didn't what's the word, complete the VAT, there was something I noticed. Well, first of all, I actually ran the VAT from the 1st of January because we had invoices put in from spring and then a lot in maybe October, November. Okay. So just to catch all of those. Now, what I noticed, if you run a P&L from the 1st of January until the 31st of August, you come up with I think it's sales for 387 odd euros. but that's not showing on the VAT.
Okay.
Say if you run a VAT for the same period from the 1st of January to 31st of the 8th.
Is this 21, is it?
21, yeah, 1st to the 1st, 21. To the end of August, 21. Yeah. So what was it? Yeah, there's the 387.
Oh yeah,
Can you see the 387?
I can.
Yeah. So if you ran a VAT return for that period, wouldn't you kind of expect those things to show up in it?
You would, but
Now maybe they're caught somewhere else along the line.
Yeah, if they haven't been filed on this, they'll be caught in the next upcoming VAT return.
Yeah.
Normally. So you've done 1st of December 21. Did you? Okay, let me just. Here.
I just didn't complete the return because I wanted you to see this. I didn't mark it as filed. Yeah.
Yeah. Just go back and have another quick look at that 387. Let's see how they paid off. If it's on the cash basis, if they're not paid off, they won't show on the VAT.
Okay.
So there's two. Oh, I am a bit earlier. You just.
Yeah, that would make sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to see these marked as paid when they're back that far.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
I'll pick on a couple though, right? They might be paid, and then we'll move on. Well, that one's paid 15th of February 22. Oh yeah, so that's only paid on the 15th of February 22.
Yeah.
You haven't filed that yet, have you?
Yeah. No. So that's why it'll pick it up then.
It will, yeah.
Yeah,
pick it up in a separate column called exceptions.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Sure, I'll be able to. So is it okay that I file a return from the 1st of January until the end of December 21, just to leave it a 12-month period?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Catch everything. Yeah. So that was one thing. Then another thing, when I was doing the RTD for 2021, I noticed that none of the vet drive income was showing on it. The only things that were showing were the DAFM payments, the ones that had reduced after them, and the ones that had reduced rate didn't show up. I know that sounds confusing, but the vet drive payments not showing on the RTD.
Not okay.
Do you know the way you should see them under Z1?
Yeah, so I'm just looking at it here now. So that's 22. So this is January 21 to December 21, is it?
Yes.
No. Those guys under. It may not be, but I'll just click in and have a look. Okay, 2nd of December. Let's see who these are.
They're showing now, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
I don't know what I was doing.
Okay. There anyway.
Yeah, they're the. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, not to worry. At least I found.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Back to report summary. I'll just.
That's
Now that's on the accrual basis. See that? So I'm just going to go to the cash basis. This might have been.
Oh, maybe I had it on cash. No, it
Cash
should.
basis is the right basis, I think, for you guys. But no, it's still there anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, but isn't there shouldn't be any difference in an RTD whether you're doing it accrual or cash, doesn't it?
Oh, it
Show
will be,
all-
yeah. Because any sales invoice you haven't been paid for won't be showing up on the VAT.
But what about the RTD?
Same thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Same thing. Yeah, definitely. Okay.
The reason I asked that is I spoke to one of the advisors, the support team on Sage, and she told me that your RTD would be the same regardless of whether you were cash or accrual. So she gave me the wrong advice.
She did. She did. Yeah.
Oh, look, I think I'm just going to leave it, Kevin. The old RTD. It's just too much. I don't think they don't bother too much with the RTD anyway.
Well, actually, that's the one thing that they do. So just so you know now. So the RTD really, now I know it's a bit tight with 19th of the month afterwards, but if you multiply all of the VAT exclusive amounts by the VAT columns they're in theory, they should equal exactly what's been filed on the VAT.
Right.
Okay. So like,
well, I haven't sent it off yet, Kevin.
Yeah.
I was going to like it. It's just the reason it's so complicated is because what we did at the end of the year with Sage, that we threw in all our outstanding invoices into the VAT return. Right?
Oh
if
yeah.
you get me, we were VAT cash. We are VAT cash, but you see, there were a lot of outstanding invoices on the Sage, the ones that came up as opening balances on Vet Drive or QuickBooks.
Yeah, there was.
We decided we were going to return all of those outstanding invoices in the VAT return.
Yeah, and get them in.
And you can see why that would make the generation of the RTD for 2021 very difficult.
Yeah, I know it's a pain in the neck, that form anyway. So I mean,
I might look. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to move on anyway.
Yeah, just get it in out of the way, and if they come back, we'll deal with it then probably.
Yeah. Well, it's not your problem anyway. So
no.
Do you mind just going back to the banking page and just jumping on a few transactions, just that I would maybe make a bit of headway, just to give me a bit of a head start. Oh yeah, there was another thing actually. Sorry. Sorry. Can I do one different thing?
Yeah, go on.
I'll just do it now. So I actually did this with Chanel. I paid it off. I just do what I did. So but then I deleted it because I didn't like what I saw.
Okay.
Now, do you see that last one I did there?
Yeah.
Have I done? See the way there's 24317 in that box? Should that not be there?
It should not be there, yeah.
So you should delete that, should you?
Yeah.
Delete. If you do that and now save, would that be right?
Yeah, just tick into a different box further down then. Okay, so that's gone 0 at the top right. Okay.
Yeah.
At the top right, total payment amount.
Here.
No, top right.
Okay, you're blocking it with your
Oh yeah,
your picture. Yeah, okay, so that has to go to 0, is it?
Yeah, it has to go to 0, yeah.
This here, there, is it? Is
No,
0. Is it over to the right again?
it's up here. Perhaps my picture's in the way. So
Okay, I can't see it, right, and that goes to 0.
Yeah, you should be able to drag the picture away though.
Oh, okay. No. Oh yeah.
So you see there, so before you took away that 243, there was 243 sitting there to be paid.
Oh yeah, right. Okay. Yeah.
So if you go a couple of things here now, actually. Do you see where it says reference number 34 in the top middle?
Yeah.
Make that offset or DD or something. Otherwise the number, people might be saying, what's that 34 mean? Just wasting your time.
EFT.
Yeah.
So that do?
Then go save, yeah.
Okay. Okay. I just wanted to, I thought I was doing something wrong, but yeah, I see where I went wrong.
Yeah, and that's tidied up a Reka then now. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'll be able to do more once I know that's the way to do it. I'll be able to work away at them.
Will, yeah.
So so that's another rebate. So it's same again. You can do deposit on that and
yeah, and put it into the same
lodgement. Just do a transfer.
Yes.
These are just invoices. If you hit on that and find match, is that the way to do it and then match it?
It is if there is a bill for 392.10 and 45.40.
Yeah, I think there should be. Yeah.
Yeah, but then that's the way. Otherwise, if it's a combination of bills, it won't find them, and you have to put it in against accounts payable. Yeah.
This one here, there is a bill gone in, but I think the bill is actually 672.80, so it mustn't be.
All right. Well, then the simplest thing would be to change the bill to 672.81
on the bill. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, and then that might match for you.
Match it. Okay. The DA. What's this? Oh, that's just a bill payment. Yeah. Should report that. I'll have to drag you again.
Okay.
There's another. Yeah. There was another thing now. See this here now, this one. That's we say drawings for myself. Oh
yeah.
How would I deal with that?
Yeah, so I think I have a thing set up to paying yourself or something. Just click on the box. Just click where you are. Or click on 365 online. Yeah.
There now. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. And where it says uncategorized expense, just type in your name.
Okay.
Okay, it's not there actually. Okay. Just type in paying yourself. I thought I had something set up for this.
Type in where?
Paying, P-A-Y-I-N-G.
In the same box here.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me just have a look around for a second, Bill.
Okay.
Don't mind, I just want to have a for you guys on your there's one actually. Sorry, I see. So I'll get rid of this because it's irrelevant. Yeah, I don't know. I'm surprised I don't have one of the first things I do. I have Kevin in there.
He has one, hasn't he? Yeah.
Yes, okay.
So he's taking weekly drawings as well. So that's obviously why he's
Okay.
that should be the same really as what
Yeah, I was just
Kevin
going to
has.
set them up. I must have forgotten to do it. Finish it off. Let me see.
But it
All right.
never came up for me before, you see, Kevin.
Oh, was that it?
This
Okay.
is the first time I think it has come up for me.
Well, that's there. That's okay. Okay, I'm just going to add in an extra account here. So, if you okay, so that's done now. So we'll go back to where we were. And there's a place there for each of you to put your drawings. I must have.
Okay.
So now,
I think it was on page 2.
there you are. There now.
Yeah.
So I'll let you type that in.
Okay. So just put in my own name.
Yeah.
Is it out of scope or 0?
Out of no VAT.
No VAT.
Yeah.
I get awful confused with the
I know. Yeah. Sometimes it's hard. It's whichever one it'll take. Sometimes.
Oh, no VAT, yeah. Is that enough?
Yeah.
So has that gone over to the register now?
It is. Yeah.
Okay. That's straightforward enough. So, what else was
There's one there for Kevin Henry further up.
Yeah, there was another one I noticed. What you call it?
Yeah, go on, keep talking. I'm just gonna look at something here.
I noticed. You know, we say the employees. They're always paid by standing order, and it seems to recognise it.
Yeah.
Automatically. Now, an odd occasion, I'll pay by bank transfer. You know, if there was an extra pay or something like that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So how do I deal with those?
Well, it's more to do with the name. So I'm just looking for your name there a second ago. So if I go back into banking for a second and rules, Bring this up. So I've told it when it sees certain names, it'll open up for you now in a second. So say they're Mary Cribben, right? When it sees the name Mary Cribben, it'll put it into her wage area.
Yeah.
Same with any of these. So if you're paying Margaret Noon a few extra quid,
Yeah.
if it sees Margaret Noon SO, see that? So those are the terms where you just use the same terms and it'll cop it. Yeah.
SO doesn't show up, you see, when I pay them just by EFT.
Oh yeah,
So
well if it doesn't, we can either just change the rule to take out the SO. I must have been seeing it all the time. Let me just see here. Yeah, I can even take out SO. And it'll just go with the name. Aidan was spelled like that. Was anything else his name? Okay.
That's Aideen, Kevin.
Oh, Aidan. Well, that's the way it came down on the bank.
Yeah.
Is that the way she spelled it?
Well, I suppose she hasn't the father in it. I suppose that's my fault.
Okay. Well, basically, it's looking for these terms.
Yeah.
But if you put their name in it, it won't go wrong. You know, it's easier for you anyway if you have to come back and check it.
So, can you take the SO out of Margaret Noon?
Margaret Noon, I can. Yeah, I'm just going to edit.
Edit. So you're on rules there. That's what you're on.
Yeah, banking and rules up the top.
Right.
And we can always add a rule, you know. So if you put between noon or something,
you
can tell it to, if it sees Margaret Noon or Noon, is to put it into those wages.
Yeah. And then it's automatic when you click on it.
It is, yeah. I've told it. At the start, we weren't automatic because I wanted you to see what was happening. But now it's automatic, yeah.
Do you know that Jeep repayment? You know the 950.
Yeah.
Can you go with another example of that on the banking that has to be dealt with?
Okay. I'll just take it out of this. I've got to do a training in 10 minutes, Bill. I hope that's all right.
I did, yeah, no, it's fine. Look, this is the last thing I'll ask you.
Yeah, sound. Where is the Jeep one?
It should show up in February. Try February.
Okay, you see that there now, your drawings.
Yes.
So when you see, if you're happy enough where it is, you just highlight it.
Yeah.
And you're happy enough with it and accept them, and it'll go through.
Okay, yeah, that's it, done and dusted. Yeah.
In February, you said.
950. Yeah, it must be. It's once a month anyway, but 950. No. I think it's early in the month it comes out, from what I remember. Oh. Maybe it's gone over. Maybe it's gone over already.
It might be, yeah.
It might be automatic.
Something for that
Maybe
already.
you don't have to do anything with it.
February. Right in the month. Okay.
Remember, it was the one item that wasn't automatic the last time we were doing the reconciliation.
All right, well, yeah.
950. Should be early in the month. It's every month it comes out.
I thought I saw something about the Jeep earlier, but maybe I'm imagining.
Yeah, it'll be under Bank of Ireland Finance.
Okay.
No, that's the card machine. The Bank of Ireland Finance.
Is that exactly 950, or is there a few pence there?
Yeah, exactly 950. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Another 9. This place here. 22nd of March.
Oh yeah, there. See Bank of Ireland Finance, the bottom one on your list. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Let me just have a look here. What's your question anyway? Yeah,
I just want to know how to deal with them when I see it on the banking screen. Or is it automatic?
Yeah, you don't have to do anything. We're paying down the loan at 833 a month and
Yeah.
putting the interest into the profit and loss. And the two of them equal 950. I've that programmed already.
Okay.
Yeah.
And does that show on the bank register?
Yeah, it will.
And will that be automatic?
Yes.
I just remember it didn't have a green thing after it the last time.
You just go on to 22nd here. See. 22nd. See that there too quick, all right? We just go down to the 22nd of February, which is the one we looked at, and maybe the other one is still in there. It's still in the waiting room. Not seeing it there, right? That's funny. Go back a look here. 950. Let me see what it's the same. Okay, it's coming out of the partnership bank account.
2nd of
February.
February.
It's actually 950. Let's see what's up here. Here's, well, I was looking on the 22nd for some reason. 2nd of February. You go back again. There it is there, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. So, and it's automatic, it has a green thing after it, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine, that's that. I presume I have to put in an opening balance for that Jeep?
You do, yeah.
Yeah. I have a note put in under the accounting, but do you put it under loan somewhere?
Yeah, there's a loan there, a loan for the Jeep. It's in this chart of accounts area.
Okay, sure, look, I can go through that again another time.
Yeah, you see now. Jeep loan, you see this?
Yeah.
And in there, we seem to be put a balance in yet. No, we didn't.
Yeah.
So
you just put in an opening balance on the 1st of December.
we did. Now these are programmed fine. Let's look at that guy there. Didn't go through the same for some reason. Have a look.
That isn't broken down.
I'm just going to look at that. Okay, came in all right. I don't know why the rule didn't get it. That's unusual. 950. Yeah. Let me just yeah, so this should be 833.33.
Yeah.
I'm surprised the rule didn't get that one out.
Interest, wasn't it?
Interest, yeah. Jeep loan interest.
Yeah.
950 minus 16.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know why the loan didn't grab that one.
Yeah.
That's in there now anyway.
Yeah. Sure. I'll try and figure out how to put in the opening balance on the 1st of December.
Yeah, you just put it in as a bill.
Add a bill.
Yeah, as a bill. So whatever the balance is, you'll go plus. This recorder, so you can look back at it.
Yeah, bill. And then opening balance equity is our supplier is bank BOI Finance.
Yeah, BOI Finance will go there.
Yeah.
I'll set up the bones for you. 1st of December.
Yeah.
Okay. and
Opening balance equity, is it?
yeah. And you put in the figure there then.
Yeah,
No VAT. Yeah,
and that's it. Yeah,
that's it. Yeah.
yeah, great, great, great. You better get teaching.
I bet.
Yeah, no, that was good.
Yeah.
That was great.
So,
Yeah.
but there's a good bit there, like, you know. So if I do too much, to be honest, it blows your mind, you know. So
No,
you've
it's
done,
great. The fact that I have it on recording, I go over them and over them like till it sticks.